I'm at the Greenwater Lakes trailhead again to do a little more work on the trail. Quite a bit less snow here. The Forest Service actually came in here and plowed this, which is nice. It wasn't plowed last time I was here, so still pretty icy in the parking lot, but they cleared, pushed the material back up there. The road all the way up to right here was actually really, really good. I didn't even need four-wheel drive or any of that. It was bare and dry. It's been about a week and a half since I was up here clearing the trail. Here's where those two biggest logs were. The one big one and the smaller one that were up in the air. It's like a few people have been out here since then. Quite a bit of the snow has melted off. Doesn't look like it right here, but a lot of the trail was just bare and just some icy spots. So I'll go up and see if I can get that other big one that's laying right in the trail up ahead. I think it's only, shouldn't be too much further up there. See, it's been about a week and a half, and see some of my sawdust and stuff is still visible. So it snowed a little bit here, but really not very much. Not like it did in the rest of the West Coast, the rest of the country, I guess. Yeah, so there's a lot of tracks going up here. I didn't walk this far up the trail. Oh, there's a tree I'd forgotten all about. This one's, I remember it now that I see it. This one's kind of a dangerous one. You have to go up around where you can see the path where other people have and kind of crouch underneath it. Or if you're kind of tall, you can kind of try to step over it. But if you miss your step, that's a long way down, and there's nothing soft down there that's going to catch you. You're probably going to get hurt pretty bad. So this will be the first one to get rid of here, and then I think the next one, that big one's not too far up there. This is one of those trees that's in kind of a precarious spot here. That's the root ball right there, and then it fell up the hill, and it's perched on that rock there, and then it's just hanging loose up there. So there's a fair amount of load in this tree. So I'm going to cut it on the other side of this rock, and then we'll see what this end does.
I already caught once. The gratuitous ash shot right here.
the next one, which is right near the last one. So that broken tree right there in the center, it fell down right down the center of the trail. Big nasty thing. Like it's not bad here, we can walk next to it, but I'll have to get some stuff up there cleared out of the way. So the trail comes up there, and it looks like everybody's been kind of going next to the log, which is the only way you can go. And going up here. Through these two trees. It looks like the footprints are just kind of going off down there, and then they must be hooking back up into the trail a little further up, which is kind of how you can get lost in the woods if you're not sure exactly where you're going. Wouldn't take too much to get this open right back up because the trail's right there. Should be able to get this section here out, and then can just continue to walk along the log, and I'll get those stobs that are sticking into the trail there out of the way so people can catch their legs on them. It should work just fine. Like a dummy, I didn't put a relief cut in, and I got the saw stuck there when the log shifted. Man, that thing was stuck like Chuck. I did not think I was going to get that out. But luckily, I brought a wedge, a little small wedge. It's kind of useless, but I was able to get enough pressure in there that I could get the saw out. So, thank God I brought that little wedge this time. Oh man, I thought I was going to have to leave my bar. It was stuck. That thing was stuck hard. Oh, I got a couple little sections cut. Then I cut out a little round piece for stress relief. So if anybody needs a little end table, it's right here. That was the little piece of crap wedge I got that was able to help me get my saw out. So thank God I brought that thing. A little bit bigger end table for somebody. Let's get some of this thing out of here. Oh, made a little bit of progress. Got that section there, smoothed it out, and then I started working on the lower section. there we go. Trail's opened up again. Got the sharp sticks. Cut off this log that's right next to where people were walking. Got a whole bunch of log sections cut out. Just got that one more out there to roll out of the way and walk up the normal path of the trail again. A lot of this brush and stuff is just completely frozen into the ground, so I'll have to wait till it thaws. And go up and around, and right between that tree there and that tree there, and that's where it goes. I'll set it up here, and then somebody can use it as a seat.